Good day everyone, welcome to Global
Welcome.
18. So yes, in this video I'll be showing you exactly where you can earn 2000 Naira from a new platform. It is paying and it is legit, okay? Due to my own review and my research, the platform is paying and it is legit, okay? Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, and please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button, okay? So that you can notify anytime I post a new video. Okay, going to my Chrome browser now to show you how the platform works. The platform is called AWSend. Okay, AWSend. That is the name of the platform. You can register with your Facebook and your email and your Gmail account, okay? Actually, this is how the platform works. The platform is a SMS platform. That means a telecommunication platform that pays you daily for performing simple tasks. Because in their platform they have many packages, 1000 Naira packages, many packages, 7,800 Naira packages. You can choose anyone, and every 9 AM every day can turn on the tax, okay, and start doing it, okay. To register is very simple in this platform, okay. You run an account, you just have to click on this, create an account, you put your email, okay, you put all these details, okay. This is my own account here. Okay, they have many packages, okay. Their cloud device miner, okay. The one that generates 6,000 Naira be getting paid 300 Naira every day. It's a long-term platform, okay. It's a long-term platform. And the second package which is Dragon, that one is 78,000 Naira, which gives 390 per day, okay. And the one of 10,000 Naira package which gives 512 Naira every day. It is a long-term platform. It's not a pausing scheme. Due to my own research and my own search I did about this platform, you can also do your own research and see how the platform works, okay. The last package is the one of 28,600, okay, and it be earning 1,586 Naira, okay. Platform is a long-term platform, not a pausing scheme platform, which may last long, okay. And their code miner ends 50 days, okay. It ends 50 days. To do that tax is very simple. You can do the one of SMS tax. I told you before, is a telecommunication company, okay. You can also read about the platform. See here, the code miner is an Android virtual technology, okay, with powerful communicating power. Just go ahead and read about the platform, okay. Simple as that. Which gives you 5 to 6% every day. It gives you 5 to 6%. It's a good platform, okay. The platform that gives you 5 to 6% platform that give you 5 to 6 interest every day is a good platform, okay. It's a good platform. To do your tax is very simple. You have the SMS tax, okay. Whenever your tax, just for daily ones, okay. To do your daily tax, you have to download the app, okay. You have to download the app. But I don't know how to download the app, but I'm using my own Chrome browser to explain it for you guys, okay. Clicking on this SMS tax, downloading your own app, you will see how to do it. It's very simple, easy, okay. About this code mining, about this code device, they have many packages. You can go for the one of any packages you want to buy, okay. Here you see, and every 9 AM you just have to come here and do that simple tax, okay. You just have to click on this. Today I've already accomplished the tax, okay. I don't need to do any tax today again, okay. The tax takes at least like 3 hours before it accomplishes, and it has already been done. You can just take a specific time for you to be doing the tax, okay. Very simple as that. It don't require you doing any daily tax. Maybe you are pointing any tax, no. You just have to do it once in a day and it's already done, okay. You can buy device. It's very simple. You have to click here now. This one is 6,000 Naira, and the last one is 50 days, which is 1 month there, okay. The second one package is the one of 7,800 naira. You should be giving 3,930, okay, 3,090 every day, okay. It's a good platform. I can choose maybe you want to purchase how many quantity you want to purchase, okay. Here you can choose maybe you are purchasing 3 or 4 packages. You have to choose any one you want to choose, okay. Simple as that, okay. See, as long as you are clicking this, the package it will continue to increase, okay. See now, it will increase the price, okay. You have to choose the one you want to. The money you have, you want to choose the package, okay. You can go for anyone. After that, just have to, let's say you are going for the one on 7,800 naira. Just click on this buy now and okay, click on this sure, okay. It will take you to where you are going to deposit into the account, okay. You just have to deposit into the account. You are going to deposit 7,800 because I have some balance in my account here. That's why it's saying I should deposit 7,055 naira, okay. But you as a new member joining and watching this video, you have to deposit 7,800, which is going to show on this place, okay. Because me, I've already been doing this and I've already been showing before. That's why it's telling me I should deposit 7,055 naira, okay. You have to copy it and go to your bank or any of your bank payment to make the payment. After that, just click on and make the payment. And we self show in your account. Simple as that, okay. You have to copy the account. You can also pay with your card. You put your card number here. Put the expire date and the CV, the back card of the number, okay. After that, and you also commonly pay to the account there, okay. Simple as that. You don't have to stress yourself. If that you want to do the bank transfer, just copy the number, everything, just follow the names and everything, ranks, everything, and after that you click on this and make the payment, okay. Simple as that. After that, to show in your account. Simple as that. To withdraw from this is very simple. You have to bind your, okay,
link in description below.
On this platform, you have to put your withdrawal account. Understand me? Here you see filling, you fill your bank details, okay. You fill your bank details, all your bank details, you put everything there, okay. And to withdraw is very simple. You just have to click on withdraw now and it automatically send to your account. The minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira, which is the one you can afford not to miss, and there is no withdrawal fee from this platform. That is the best thing from this platform, okay.
Thanks.
Like and the withdrawal takes at least 24 hours, okay.
Subscribe.
Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and
Like,
turn on bell notification so that you can find out when I put in video.
share.
Thanks for watching. See you in my next video, guys.